Is Tiki Fish Farm a scam? Watch this video before you place an order. I ordered fish from his farm all the way from Canada. In this video, I'll be sharing my detailed experience, including breakdown of costs, what I ordered versus what I got, customer service, and so much more. So, let me start by showing you the full package that came delivered. So, what you see with the fragile on it is actually what came from Tiki. So, it was delivered to my agent in Lagos, and they just placed that box in a bigger box in order for them to send it to me. So, I also got some stockfish fin or stockfish neck or whatever it's called, which is my favorite part of stockfish when I'm cooking, but that part did not come from Tiki. Okay, let's get into the main event. First of all, I appreciate how well this was packaged. One of my biggest concerns when I was ordering was just thinking about how potentially everything could be broken by the time everything and ends up getting to me in Canada. So the packaging was definitely very thoughtful. And from following him on social media as well, I think that if you let them know that the package is going to travel, they typically would give it like a special kind of treatment. I didn't tell them. I just ordered like a regular customer. So I ordered two separate things. One is the big pack of deboned. So this fish that is inside the container, they sell it completely deboned. So it's just supposed to be flesh. It's not supposed to have anything else. It's not supposed to have any kind of bone or skin on. And they have a minimum order size for this one, I believe is 1.2 kilos. So that is the first one that I ordered. And as you can see, it's true to the description. It didn't have any bone. All of the sections have already been taken apart. As somebody who has young children, I really appreciate this because I don't have to be worried about potentially giving them bones and things like that when I am cooking. So that's why I wanted to try this. First impression, honestly, it smells very, very smoky, which is different from most of the catfish that I've been ordering recently because I think a lot of people have moved away from, firewood smoking to more of like oven drying of catfish. So this one smells very, very smoky. So wood was used. And as you can see, the other part that I ordered was the mid cut section. So I didn't actually order any kind of like whole folded catfish. I ordered just the middle cut section because I didn't want the head or the tail. And I ordered a few kilos of the, I believe 5 kilos. And this is what the 5 kilos actually looks like after emptying everything. Of course, a few pieces broke, which is understandable, honestly, because of travel. I had to order to like from Lagos to a different city, and then from that city it was shipped to me. Like 80% or be 85% of the fish was still whole, so I don't have any complaints about that at all. When it comes to what I ordered versus what I got, I believe that I 100% got everything that I ordered based on his description on his Instagram and Facebook. This was 100% what I ordered. 100%. No complaints there. In terms of like quantity, I did weigh everything just to make sure that the weight was accurate. The weight was 100% accurate. The 5 kilos was 5 kilos and the 1.2 kilos was 1.2. Now let's get into the taste. I tasted the deboned catfish and it was 100% delicious. There was no sand, which is one thing that I fear when ordering fish from Nigeria. It was very, very smoky. And honestly, it was almost too smoky, Seth. Now, the deboned catfish was 1.5 kilos and it was 100,000 naira. That's how much I paid. The middle cut catfish for 5 kilos, I paid 185,000 naira. Delivery to Lagos was 8,500 naira. So for the whole thing, I ended up paying 293,500, and I ordered via their WhatsApp number. So there are so many scam pages that actually scam this guy's page. So make sure that you order directly from the real number, which is the 2484 number. Delivery, I'd asked them how long it was going to take. They said 2 to 3 working days. Honestly, I didn't have to follow up. They delivered it within the 2 to 3 working days directly to the house. I didn't have to, ship it like a car park, which some brands would do, and then you have to send somebody. No, I gave them a home address and they delivered directly to the home address. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I used my money to order this fish just so I could review it for you guys. 100% my experience is one. In fact, I'm already planning on ordering the whole folded catfish before you guys go and order out everything. 100% my experience was a good one. I think I like the guy. I found him online and I started following him. I absolutely love how, he educates about catfish. You can tell that he's the kind of person that is really, really interested in what he's doing. For my next order, I'm definitely going to be ordering the whole folded catfish, and I might get some other kinds of fish as well, just to see, the flavor difference. This is the kind of fish that you can snack on, and you can also, try in soups. Again, when you're watching this video, prices might be different, but this is how much I paid for everything I bought. Hope you enjoy. Bye.